We're thousands of feet up. We've been taking the Sierra Canyon Trail. There's the Tahoe Rim Trail we intersected with. I've been just contemplating whether to head up to Lake Tahoe on foot or to continue this canyon trail and just stand on Genoa Peak, which we will be at Genoa Peak if we continue to hike around. But I wanted to make some notes here. If you look down right there in the middle, the red vehicle is my truck. We're about 2.5 miles from it. And then you have right below, nestled amongst the bottom of the Eastern Sierras, is the town of Genoa. And of course behind that is the Carson Valley, which is full of pastures and farmland. But we're continuing the hike, and it's hard to say where this adventure will take us. I mean, there are multiple trails, there are multiple rock formations, there's much to check out. I don't think you could check this out on one hike. I think that this deserves a little bit more attention. What I might do is do all the trails in the area and eventually put them on the site, trail by trail. That way we cover all the trails on this Bigfoot adventure. But you can see below, you have Genoa right there, which is one of Nevada's oldest settlements. It's one of the first. And Snowshoe Thompson, he used to be a postal courier or deliver goods and mail and rescue people in the winter. He lived at the bottom of these mountains, and it's said that he also had to traverse these mountains in his snowshoes. So, you know, you can see how harsh it is now. Imagine how it would be with 5, 6, 7 feet of snow. You go off the edge, it's over. It's over. But anyways, we may end up going back and taking, we'll see what's around this corner. I may just come around the corner, take pics, and then we'll head back and maybe do the Tahoe Rim Trail, which is basically a steep trail that goes up to the top of the ridge where you can actually see Lake Tahoe. Also, the Tahoe Rim Trail is an area that we took our bicycles, our mountain bikes, and we went biking. This was back last year ago in August. So, you know, it's got its rewards. Everything kind of connects out here in the Sierras. Obviously, because it all connects, it's a good location for Sasquatch or something else cryptid to move along the paths and hunt for its food. And you know, that's why we can't find it, because it can appear in one place and go 5 miles down a trail into another place. And you're never going to find this thing. You're never going to find it. But anyways, we're going to get some scenic shots up here. You can check us out at www.paranormalghostsociety.org. I'm about to get a beautiful shot of the entire Carson Valley up here. So it does, please don't cut, it says, cut trail. So they don't want you like climbing up and cutting away. This looks like it's going down, so we're going to head on back. We're just going to get some pictures. We don't want to go down. We want to continue to go up. What I'm going to do is take the Tahoe Rim Trail, and then I'll definitely work my way to Genoa Peak if we can do it. But anyways, this is Lord Rick, your founder, and Jared, our junior investigator and cryptozoologist. And we will keep you up to date on this expedition. We're having a good time. We're discovering some strange things up here. We've heard some strange calls. We don't know what they were. We will, again, keep you up to date, and we'll do everything we can to gather evidence on this Bigfoot adventure above Genoa.